that's pretty much for your solo episodes, or do you ever do that for the interview episodes?
No, I never do. What I tend to do on my interview episodes, like when I did yours, when we did one together, I listened to about 3 of your podcasts. I just soaked up all that, you were about and what you were involved in. I look back at one of your older podcasts on the real estate market, so I kind of got a real understanding of who you are, picked up on the AAA thing, just like, okay, now I feel like I'm more connected to this person. So if it's not done that way, I've met the person organically. So I've had organic conversations. I go to pick up, Christmas pastries a couple years ago. And these two women that own a bake shop, I start talking to them. They got a great story, interesting story. That served as my background. I invited them on and, I didn't have to do a ton of research after that. But some folks, I've read their book. They have a book they've done. I've read it. And, I try to get immersed into what they're about so that the experience of listening to the interview for the listener or watching it for the viewer is that much better. So I would encourage anybody who's in this situation where they're interviewing guests, man, really spend some time to get to know your guest. We've gotten to know each other over the 3 months now, and it's, it's helped us, put a better quality episode on and more feels more natural. We even talked about getting together for lunch or dinner when you came out here. So, I would encourage people to do that, to really immerse themselves in what your guest is all about. This way you can ask better questions and, be better. I did an episode not too long ago, interviewed a young lady, and she said, I got to tell you, I do a ton of these. And she said, I've never run into anybody so well organized and put together with how they approach a show. I really appreciate it. It was almost like, this was really a quality use of my time. I loved it. And for me, it's more fun because I can ask better questions. I feel like I deliver a better product to the listener or viewer. And that's, that's what I'm trying to do is give them something where they can turn off mainstream, TV or cable and go and listen and watch a cool podcast.